Hello, curious minds and STEM lovers. Welcome to the Dr. Creative channel, where we turn PhD dreams into reality, especially for my friends from India who are dreaming to study abroad. So, if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and join my family for getting to know all the insider tips and tricks and navigating a PhD journey abroad. So, if you have been dreaming of expanding your horizons, diving deep into research, and living a new adventure in a new country, you are in the right place. In this video, I will simplify the PhD process from finding your perfect research match to embracing a brand new lifestyle overseas. So let's get those notebooks or your smartphones and get ready as this video is packed with useful information that you will need. Right, so let's dive into step number one, finding your research soulmate. Ever wondered if your master's project could be the one? If it got your heart racing, why not take it to the next level? If your dissertation sparked the passion or curiosity of unanswered questions you are eager to explore, pursuing a PhD in the same area can be a natural progression. But hey, if you are looking to switch lines or lanes from animal science to plant science or anything in between, that's cool too. Switching your field for study, especially at the PhD level, might seem intimidating, but it's all about following your passion and grabbing the right opportunity. Now, take the story of a friend of mine. He spent years studying animal sciences, dedicating his master's dissertation to animal studies, etc. However, he found himself motivated and more fascinated about the plant genetics. So he did this transition and he moved to Poland for his research, and now he's doing postdoc in Germany. Step two, choosing where to study is like picking your next adventure destination. Now, Europe's a great start, full of diverse cultures and languages. In the academic settings, you might find the courses, seminars, or research meetings, they're all conducted in English, creating this inclusive environment for all the international students. However, stepping outside the university campus, this scenario can change significantly. Grocery shopping, interacting with the local services, and even public transport can present challenges if you're not familiar with the language. But this shouldn't discourage you, as there are so many apps like Google Translator, which actually just translates the text or image into English. And there's always a sense of adventure and getting out of your comfort zone. And it took me a couple of months to get used to the Polish language, so it's not a big deal. If I can do it, you can do it. Now, opting for English speaking countries might seem like a straightforward option or choice for many, especially to ease the transition and focus on your studies without facing any significant language barriers. However, this decision comes with its own set of requirements and considerations. For non native speakers, are often required to prove their proficiency in English through standardized academic tests such as IELTS or TOEFL. Now, these tests assess your ability to use and understand English at the university level, focusing on reading, writing, speaking, and listening skills. Early prep and familiarizing yourself with the test format is the ideal. And let me know in the comment section below if you would like me to share my prep and experience and also some do's and don'ts that I can suggest and recommend to you all. Right, let's move on to step three. Now, once you have found your area of interest or your true soulmate, it's time to find academic leaders in that niche. Start looking for professors whose research aligns with your interests and explore the work being done in the labs. Now, this can be achieved by either reading their recent publications or even going through their university websites or the research portals, as most of the universities have the detailed profile of their research groups online, and they usually mention all the topic they are interested in and what sort of fundings they usually have currently in their lab. Now, once you have found the right group, start reaching out to the leaders via email. This is your first impression. So craft your email with a brief introduction, like who you are, your academic background, and your research interests. Guys, you have to make your first impression amazing. Then you have to also tell them why you're interested in their work. Be specific about what aspects of their research excites you and how you see contributing yourself. And of course, add your CV and cover letter. Tailor these documents to highlight relevant experience, your skills, and express the enthusiasm for the field. Not every supervisor you reach out will have the capacity or resources to take you on, and that's okay. If you're not successful, don't be disheartened. Finding the right supervisor and the research environment is worth the patience and effort. It took me a year to find, so don't be disheartened. Step 4. If you receive a positive response, the next steps often involve applying formally to the university or discussing potential funding sources, quote unquote. Communicating with your potential supervisors before applying for funding. Also discuss potential source with your potential or confirmed supervisor. If you are lucky, hallelujah, they have if they have some lab funding, then it's pretty much sorted for you. If not, then here are some strategies. University websites can be the first one. Now, begin with the financial aid section of the universities you are interested in. They often have list of scholarships, assistantships, and fellowships available on the page. Government and private foundations can be the other one. Look into the scholarships offered by your home country's government as well as the destination country opportunities. The last one can be the private foundations, as they also offer grants based on merit or specific research areas. Your funding application should be prepared as a PhD application. And usually, your potential supervisor helps you craft with the research proposal. Now, make sure that you have chosen the right referees and have the letter of recommendation, because that's pretty much crucial. In my case, I requested the dean of my biotech department and my master's dissertation supervisor who knew my academic abilities. A personal tip: keep an organized list of your potential funding and sources and also their deadlines. Apply as soon as possible or as early as possible. Persistence and well crafted application are the key. Step 5: congratulations on securing your place and funding for your PhD abroad. Now it's just time to sort out the visa application process and prepare for the start of your academic adventure. Arriving in a new country for your PhD is more than just starting an academic program. It's the beginning of your new chapter in your life. Many universities kick off the academic year with Freshers Week, a fantastic opportunity to immerse yourself in the campus culture, meet your fellow students, and participate in fun activities. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Now, drop your questions or share your journey in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going and support each other in navigating the exciting world of PhD studies. Until then, stay curious and best of luck in finding your academic tribe.